Hey everybody, just a quick short on packaging. When you are finishing up your piece of jewelry or earrings, whatever it is you're doing, you want a beautiful package. Doesn't matter the color of the box. You want the box to kind of go, I would think, go with whatever style of jewelry that you do. So I do contemporary, but I also do Southwestern Native American style things. So I've got a box that's kind of a color of a craft box, kind of a light brown. And then I ordered some stickers for the tops of the boxes, and I've got my logo on there, and I've had this logo since the beginning of my business. And then you can have contact information on the bottom right there. But I put one of these on every box. And then sometimes if I'm going to a party where I'm giving a gift or something like that, I will put a tie on it that's appropriate for whoever I'm giving it to. In other words, if it's a guy, you want something a little more masculine. If it's a girl, something a little softer. But anyway, it just sets your packaging apart, and that's what you want. You want people to open their gifts and go, oh wow, I'm so excited, look at this, it's custom made. So spend a little time and a little money on dressing up your boxes. I think it will do you good in the long run. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.